come in on Saturday, but, I've been really busy, work is busy, and gosh, a week went by, I don't even know where it went. I think after doing that, I did some of them, and people are pretty negative. I didn't realize, but people were telling me that insurance companies, they just take their money and they leave the country and they don't know where the money is, and they never pay the people when they need it. Maybe Manulife is not like that, but boy, if insurance companies in Vietnam do that, then I don't know if I would want to be part of that.
Yeah. So, in the 10 surveys, we'll talk about what you just mentioned, but in the 10 surveys, were there any positive comments? Did you get some good things that came from it?
Well, actually, Kim, I only did 4, and all 4 people they didn't really want to talk to me. They didn't want to give me their full name. I mean, even though I knew one of the guys, but he didn't really want to talk about it.
So you talked to one person, you, and 3 people you didn't know?
Yeah, I called that first guy, and then that was because he's kind of a family friend. And then, I wasn't getting very far there, so I just thought, well, I know I said I wouldn't go to the mall, but I thought I'd go over and ask somebody there, and, just like that. But, Kim, I've been really busy, I've been working a lot, and I just haven't had a lot of time,
Well, in order to really get a full feeling about whether this is something for you to do, you have to go a step further. You have to do 10. Because it gives you a better feeling as to whether or not this is the right industry. You might have had 4 negative, but then you could have 6 people that you talked to that were actually quite positive. By not going past 4, shut down the opportunity to hear some people that have actually had very positive and more accurate experiences than maybe the people that were the ones that you got.
Yeah, I guess I never thought of it that way. But how do you tell somebody when it says, life insurance is a ripoff? I mean, what do I say to that person?
Well, Kevin, that comes through in how, because the reality is, no matter what industry you're in, there are people that are negative about those industries. But if you remember, without training, we wanted you to go and just get a feel. So it really wasn't worried about how you would address if someone, they have their opinion. It could be valid, it could be invalid, but it's just you getting a feeling from people about the industry. Now, the reality is, Kevin, as an example, Manulife, I can't talk for the industry and other companies, but I do know that the majority of companies are very professional. They honor their claims, they pay their claims, or they wouldn't be in business today.
It's stuff like that. You're saying it's not true, or what? Why do they say that?
I think because, the industry here in Vietnam for the last approximately 20 years has used a different method than what we in Manulife do, focusing on hiring the right quality of agents, training them very well throughout their career, so that they really are focused on looking after their customers. So it really gives you an opportunity to set yourself apart from the rest of the industry and be one of those people that people go, wow, if you're going to deal in this area, that's the guy you want to deal with. The experience that you've had doing before, if you've come back feeling a little bit or quite apprehensive about the opportunity or whether you fit within this group.
Yeah, I was really excited, before I went and did this, but then when people started talking oh, you're not going to last in the business and that, oh, okay, maybe this isn't right for me.
So, I can either say, Greg, Kevin, I think what the selection process does, it helps us, you and I, make an assessment on the situation. And I think it's telling us something very clear. This probably, at this point in time, would not be a career that would be suited for you.
Well, wait a second, I'm not saying, I think there's some good stuff here. I'm not really saying that, I'm saying that, I need to know more information. But I don't want to end this right now.
Okay. I think what I'm hearing you say is there's still potential. You think there's potential, right?
Well, Kim, I don't really like my job that much right now. And I just, I think after all the time you spent with me, I think you could help me a lot. But I just don't know how to deal with some of the stuff that I'm hearing, And maybe, like you said, maybe once I'm trained, maybe I'll know how to do it better.
Okay. Let's go one more step. The fact that you pushed back tells me that there's still an interest, but I need you to do something for me. But I need you to put some effort into this. I want you to go back out. I want you to do another 10 of these market surveys. Because it's very important that you get a real true feeling of the industry. Because you got 4 negatives, but you will get positives. And I think you need to feel that. And inside, get a feeling as to whether or not and how you feel. And after doing another 10, let's get back together and see whether do a check to see, still feeling the same way? Or do you feel better or do you feel worse? Because remember, this is about walking down a path together to ensure that this, I committed to you that I would only hire you if I felt this was something you could be successful at. And I will not do it. I value my time too much, and I value you and your family too much to just say, let's go ahead. I need to check to make sure that we can both commit to